One major problem of a client with spinal injury is bladder control, nutritional intake, quadriceps setting, use of aids for ambulation. Correct answer is A. Bladder control. Most peptic ulcers occurring in the stomach are in the pyloric portion, cardiac portion, esophageal junction, body of stomach. Correct answer is A. Pyloric portion. The nurse should position a client recovering from general anesthesia in supine position, side-lying position, high Fowler's position, Trendelenburg position. Correct answer is B. Side-lying position. Collapse of the lungs is called pneumothorax, hydrothorax, bronchitis, atelectasis. Correct answer is D. Atelectasis. During blood transfusion, a client develops chills and headache. The nurse's best action is to notify the physician, stop the transfusion immediately, slow the transfusion flow to keep vein open, cover the client with extra blanket. Correct answer is B. Stop the transfusion immediately. An infection originating in a patient while in a hospital or other healthcare facility is opportunistic infection, nosocomial infection, iatrogenic infection, endemic infection. Correct answer is B. Nosocomial infection. AIDS is caused by cytomegalovirus, varicella zoster virus, human immune deficiency virus, acquired immune deficiency syndrome virus. Correct answer is C. Human immunodeficiency virus. River outfall is the method of refuse disposal, sewage disposal, human excreta disposal, animal excreta disposal. Correct answer is B. Sewage disposal. Occurrence in the community of a number of cases of disease that is usually large or unexpected is called endemic, epidemic, infection, pandemic. Correct answer is B. Epidemic. Which of the following vaccine is given subcutaneously? BCG, polio, measles, DPT. Correct answer is C. Measles. For detection of abnormality, breast examination is performed 1 week after menstruation, 1 week before menstruation, immediately after menstruation, in between two menstruation. Correct answer is A. 1 week after menstruation. DOTS is related to cataract, pneumonia, tuberculosis, bronchitis. Correct answer is C. Tuberculosis. Which of the following vitamin prevent neural tube defect in fetus? Folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. Correct answer is A. Folic acid. The main cause of constipation during pregnancy is decreased physical exertion, changes in diet, relaxation of smooth muscle systems, obstruction to the lower bowel by presenting part of the fetus. Correct answer is C. Relaxation of smooth muscle systems. Gravida refers to a serious pregnancy. Number of times a female has been pregnant. Number of children a female has delivered. Number of term pregnancies a female had. Correct answer is B. Number of times a female has been pregnant. At birth, the normal length of the body is about 30 cm, 40 cm, 50 cm, 60 cm. Correct answer is C. 50 cm. First preterm movement felt by the mother is known as lightening, ballotment, engagement, quickening. Correct answer is D. Quickening. A woman experiences passage of stool flatters through vagina following delivery. What may be the cause? Vesico-vaginal fistula, vaginal urethral fistula, recto-vaginal fistula, vesico-urethral fistula. Correct answer is C. Recto-vaginal fistula. HIV/AIDS is transmitted through all of the following except sexual transmission, parental transmission, perinatal transmission, hugging. Correct answer is D. Hugging. Gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria gonorrhea, Treponema pallidum, papilloma virus, human immune virus. Correct answer is A. Neisseria gonorrhea. What type of drugs cause fetal malformation? Tocolytic agents, teratogenic agents, anticonvulsants, oxytocics. Correct answer is B. Teratogenic agents. One middle-aged woman having the descent of the cervix and the whole uterus through the introitus is considered as first degree uterine prolapse, second degree uterine prolapse, third degree uterine prolapse, fourth degree uterine prolapse. Correct answer is D. Fourth degree uterine prolapse. Separation anxiety starts from oral stage, anal stage, phallic stage, latent stage. Correct answer is A. Oral stage. Common cause of diarrhea in children is Candida, adenovirus, E. coli, E. histolytica. Correct answer is B. Adenovirus. Normal weight of infant at 1 year from birth is double of birth weight, triple of birth weight, quadruple of birth weight, less than 10 kg. Correct answer is B. Triple of birth weight. The relationship that is extremely important in the personality development is peer relationship, sibling relationship, parent-child relationship, neighborhood relationship. Correct answer is C. Parent-child relationship. A patient states that he hears voices telling him that he is Mahadev. The misperception is delusion, hallucination, illusion, false belief. Correct answer is B. Hallucination. The term most commonly used for the superego is conscience, ideal self, self, narcissism. Correct answer is B. Ideal self. Mental disorders are classified as psychosis, neurosis, personality and mental retardation, anxiety, schizophrenia, illness, psychometric, organophosphorus, hysteria, manic depression. Correct answer is A. Psychosis, neurosis, personality and mental retardation. Observe and record enough of the situation to make the behavior or incident meaningful is the principle of anecdotal report, rating scale, communication report, checklist. Correct answer is A. Anecdotal report. Authority is expert power, coercive power, legitimate power, political power. Correct answer is C. Legitimate power. These patients for whom treatment can be delayed for longer hours needs minor care that falls into category yellow, green, red, black. Correct answer is B. Green. If the leader shares decision-making power with the group members and explains to the group reason for personal decisions, it is under the autocratic leadership style, laissez-faire non-leadership style, democratic leadership style. Correct answer is D. Democratic leadership style. Job description is important to provide the employee for clarification of role, function and responsibility of an individual, terms of working, incentive and facilities, roles and working place. Correct answer is A. Role, function and responsibility of an individual. During adolescence, psychosocial development focuses on becoming industrious, establishing an identity, achieving intimacy, developing initiative. Correct answer is B. Establishing an identity. Evidence-based practice is defined as advanced nursing care based on alternative medicine and science, nursing care provided in an economically sound manner, a problem-solving approach that integrates best current evidence with clinical practice. Correct answer is D. A problem-solving approach that integrates best current evidence with clinical practice. When instructing the patient to collect a sputum specimen, the nurse should tell the patient, collect sputum from evening coughing episode, collect sputum from a first morning episode, collect sputum from any coughing episode, keep specimen at room temperature for the duration. Correct answer is B. Collect sputum from a first morning coughing episode. A nursing diagnosis represents the proposed plan of care, client's health problem, assessment of client's data, actual nursing interventions. Correct answer is B, client's health problem. The lowest level of needs in Maslow's hierarchy of needs is which of the following? Safety and security needs, love and belongings needs, physiological needs, self-esteem needs. Correct answer is C, physiological needs. What do you mean by first aid treatment? Immediate care according to situation, let the patient sleep, nothing to do, take temperature. Correct answer is A, immediate care according to the situation. Oxytocin is produced by anterior part of pituitary gland, posterior part of pituitary gland, middle part of pituitary gland, adrenal gland. Correct answer is B, posterior part of pituitary gland. Fertilization occurs in vagina, uterus, ovary, fallopian tube. Correct answer is D, fallopian tube. COVID-19 is declared as pandemic which is caused by bacteria, virus, parasites, fungus. Correct answer is B, virus. Endocytosis, exocytosis and transcytosis are examples of osmosis, diffusion, passive transport, active transport. Correct answer is D, active transport. Which drug is used for treatment of anemia? Tetanus toxoid, paracetamol, folic acid, metronidazole. Correct answer is C, folic acid. Which of the following statement is indicative of typical pain experienced by patient with cholecystitis? The pain is usually below the sternum. Eating food makes the pain better. The pain gets worse after eating fatty foods. The pain is usually related to constipation. Correct answer is C, the pain gets worse after eating fatty foods. Progressive muscle weakness leading to ascending paralysis is known as nephrotic syndrome, myasthenia gravis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, multiple sclerosis. Correct answer is C, Guillain-Barré syndrome. Gout is a disease of joint which is caused because of calcium metabolism disorder, purine metabolism disorder, phosphate metabolism disorder, potassium metabolism disorder. Correct answer is B, purine metabolism disorder. Deficiency of vitamin B12 can cause iron deficiency anemia, aplastic anemia, pernicious anemia, sickle cell anemia. Correct answer is C, pernicious anemia. The client with osteoporosis is vulnerable to fatigue fracture, pathological fracture, green stick fracture, compound fracture. Correct answer is B, pathological fracture. यस्तै भिडियोको लागि प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसै गरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला।